When selling your home, you need a realtor that can make the process as stress-free as possible. This includes the furry members of your family.
Mike, you're the goat.
You good? When your home is on market, you need a great realtor to make sure you don't lose your ass. I'll make sure that doesn't happen. I will always go that extra mile to make sure that all pets are as comfortable as possible. It's especially important to stay calm during their little moments. Fluffy, how many times I gotta tell you? The litter box, the litter box. Crazy cat. So no matter who your special pet is, I'll make sure that their move goes just as smooth as yours. You know I don't speak Spanish.